Have you ever walked down a supermarket aisle and wondered who came up with this amazing packaging? It's not magic, but it's close. It's the work of packaging engineers, the hidden heroes behind every box, bottle, and bag. They're the reason your cereal stays crunchy, your shampoo doesn't leak, and your new phone arrives safe and sound. Intrigued? Let's unwrap the secrets of this fascinating career. In this exploration, we'll journey into the world of packaging engineering. We'll uncover the responsibilities that shape their days, the skills that make them tick, and the exciting challenges they tackle. From understanding their typical work environment to discovering the impact they have on our world, prepare to be amazed by the power of packaging. Get ready to see everyday products in a whole new light. By the time you finish reading, you'll appreciate the thought, science, and ingenuity that go into something we often take for granted. Let's dive in. What does a packaging engineer actually do? Imagine a blend of creativity, science, and problem solving all rolled into one dynamic profession. Packaging engineers are responsible for much more than just putting products in boxes. They are the guardians of product safety, the architects of user experience, and the champions of sustainability. Their daily tasks involve a fascinating mix of design, testing, and innovation. They use cutting edge software to create packaging that is both functional and appealing. They conduct rigorous tests to ensure the packaging can withstand the bumps and bruises of shipping and handling. And they are constantly searching for new and innovative ways to reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. But it's not just about the technical stuff. Packaging engineers are also deeply concerned with the consumer experience. They think about how easy it is to open a package, how well it protects the product inside, and even how it looks on the shelf. They understand that packaging is often the first point of contact between a consumer and a brand, and they strive to create a positive and memorable experience. So, what does it take to become a packaging engineer? A solid foundation in science and engineering is key. Most aspiring packaging engineers pursue degrees in packaging engineering, mechanical engineering, or chemical engineering. These programs equip them with the technical knowledge to understand materials, design principles, and manufacturing processes. But technical skills are just the beginning. Successful packaging engineers also possess a unique blend of creativity, problem solving abilities, and communication skills. They need to think outside the box, pun intended, to come up with innovative solutions. They need to be able to troubleshoot problems and find creative workarounds. And they need to be able to effectively communicate their ideas to colleagues, clients, and manufacturers. The typical work environment for a packaging engineer is as diverse as the products they package. They might find themselves in the bustling R&D labs of a consumer goods giant, collaborating with marketing and product development teams, or they could be on the factory floor, working closely with production managers to optimize packaging lines and ensure quality control. The life of a packaging engineer is not without its challenges. They face constant pressure to balance functionality, aesthetics, cost, and sustainability. Finding the perfect material that meets all the requirements can be like solving a complex puzzle. Imagine designing packaging for a fragile electronic device. It needs to be strong enough to protect the product during shipping, lightweight to reduce transportation costs, and visually appealing to attract consumers on the shelf. Then there's the ever present need to innovate. The packaging industry is constantly evolving with new materials, technologies, and consumer demands emerging all the time. Packaging engineers need to stay ahead of the curve, continuously learning and adapting to stay competitive. But these challenges are also what make the job so rewarding. Overcoming a difficult design obstacle, seeing your creation on store shelves, and knowing that you've played a part in delivering a product safely and sustainably to consumers, these are the moments that make all the hard work worthwhile. Packaging engineering is more than just a job, it's a career with a profound impact. Think about it. Almost every product we use, consume, or interact with comes in some form of packaging. Packaging engineers play a crucial role in ensuring that products reach us safely, efficiently, and with minimal environmental impact. From the food we eat to the medicine we take, packaging plays a vital role in maintaining quality and safety. It prevents contamination, extends shelf life, and ensures products are protected during transportation. And as we become increasingly aware of our environmental footprint, packaging engineers are at the forefront of developing sustainable solutions that reduce waste and minimize our impact on the planet. So, the next time you unwrap a new gadget or grab a carton of milk from the fridge, take a moment to appreciate the unseen heroes behind the packaging. They are the problem solvers, the innovators, and the guardians of our products. They are the packaging engineers, and they are shaping the future, one package at a time. If you are intrigued by a career that blends creativity, science, and a passion for making a difference, packaging engineering might just be the perfect fit for you. Explore the resources available, connect with professionals in the field, and discover the exciting world of packaging.